No other tool in my shop has done more to make my woodworking more precise than this humble tool. And I have this guy to thank for it. Matthias Wandel taught me many years ago how important this little awl is, and I've been using it since. But the awl that I've been using has a flaw that we'll fix in this video. And stay till the end for a surprise. This is a little awl that could, and has been, for a number of years. I got this one when this one went missing. As far as awls go, both do a wonderful job, but both are flawed. Can you see the flaw? Unless you have long, slender man-like fingers, Mr. Awl becomes a two-handed job. As you can see in one of my past videos, I had to use the hair on my chinny chin chin to push the awl in when I needed to hold a pattern. I guess I could have easily cut this down to size, but honestly, these awls never played by the rules. Rule number 1, if the tool doesn't make you feel like $1 million, don't use it. So instead, I made this little guy. I have a step-by-step video showing 2 different methods to easily make one with a 6D nail. The first method involves using 2 dowels with different diameters. After cutting them to size, I found the centers and drilled them out. I added the 6D nail to the smaller dowel and the smaller dowel to the larger dowel. The second method involves using square stock. Because of grain direction, I nibbled away a 2x4 to get this rectangle. And then, like the dowels, I found the center of the smaller square, drilled it out, and added a nail. With a little glue and matching end grains, I glued the blocks together using tape as a clamp. Of course, nobody likes sharp edges. So I chucked the nail into a drill and used a sander to round both awls. And there we go, cheap stubby awls. Both of these are made out of boring construction grade pine and poplar, but this is where I want to challenge you. I'm sure I'm not the first person to come up with a short awl. I'm pretty sure you could probably find one online, but I want you to come up with your own design and build it. What a lot of people don't know about building their own tools is that there is a bit of magic that comes with doing so. And while I do show how to make 2 out of pine, I implore you to use the best woods to do it. If you use beautiful woods that are rich in grain design or color, I promise you, every time you pick it up to use it, you'll gain more confidence in your own woodworking, and it will make you a better woodworker. Because of the small size that makes up this awl handle, search through your exotic wood scraps to do this. And here's where the big surprise comes in. In the next several weeks, I will be making 100 awls. I will be giving them away in a huge awl contest. If you're interested in winning one, create an awl and send me your picture. Subscribe to my second channel, and each Saturday for the next 10 weeks, I'll release a video showing how I made the 10 awls. At the end of each video, I'll list the names of those 10 winners that will be receiving the awls that were made. Now, I know this is an odd idea. If you have one awl, why would you want another one? This contest is about inspiring you to be as creative as you can be, and no awl should ever be alone. I have a link in the description to a webpage with more information. I'd like to thank all my Patreons for their support and welcome Keith Current as our newest supporter. All of you will receive an awl as well. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and I thank you so much for being a part of my shop. Please leave a comment below, come find me on Instagram at makethingswithrob, and remember to keep making things.